So, erster Fisch der Tour, 28 Kilo.
Every time restrain myself, every time shove it where the sun don't shine. I obscure my view. Colorado's curve reminds me, cracked over true inside me. Colorado's curve reminds me, cracked over true. How can a culture not apply our ancient instincts and our drives? Will you forsake yourself to survive? We bear the truth in ourselves. Will you give in to something else? Will you forfeit? Will you subside? I take a pill for a good night, dream next to her every night. I try not to think at night. I obscure my view. Colorado's curve reminds me, cracked over true inside me. Colorado's curve reminds me, cracked over true. How can a culture modify our ancient instincts and our drives? If we are to evolve, the soul must die. We must eradicate the facts that have been carved into our heads. Will you leave your bloodline behind? I know my place. I'm of the human race. I know my place. I'm of the human race. How can a culture modify our ancient instincts and our drives? If we are to evolve, the soul must die. We must eradicate the facts that have been carved into our heads. Will you leave your bloodline behind? I know my place. I'm of the human race. I know my place. I'm of the human race.
Baguette gibt's Garnelen, Welt ist in Ordnung. Und Fleisch zu Wucherpreisen.
Und 20 Kilo wartet im Sack.
Ja, der 20 Kilo. Da hinten schwimmt er. Da ist er, der 20 Kilo.
Pretending to be the great optimist. No fear, no price, they never hurt me. With smile on my face, when confidence is woman. 100% with smile so dry. We're rejected by any purpose. To see perfect to everyone. Only with you know what's it about me. Facing the story, walk past our glory. My civil sanity may bring me down. Desperately looking for the unexisting something. To show that I'm the greatest, that I'm the best.